Okay, there we go.
We're going to send 16 through.
All right.
Fence across.
One
another
each,
16
there we are.
waiting.
Okay, if you'd like to go up to the monster security. Right.
Hello.
Right, how are we doing? Oh, someone's farting over there. Oh, smelly, smelly stuff. Right, I'm in charge of checking you get in. So, the only people allowed in are monsters. Are we all monsters?
Yeah.
Yeah, are you sure?
Yes.
You don't look very monstery.
It's because I disguise as a human.
You're disguised as humans. Oh, are you all disguised as humans? But you're monsters. Very good. You promise. Oh, you're definitely a monster. That's amazing. Well done. Right, follow me. I'll lead the way. So this is our Monster Street graveyard. We've got Seymour Brick. I am a ghost. This is the Monster Garage. Spirals, tiles like that. And then halt! Halt! Very good. Oh, you're a Slimer. That's a cool monster, one of the best monsters. We all here, come on down, come on down. Can you wait there? Can you wait there? Thank you. Oh, come on, you go. You go, go with your family. Make sure, right, the next people that come in, I've got to make sure they stay there. Right, do you think I'm going to be able to do it? Yeah. Very good. Right, you keep on the lookout for zombie cheerleader. I'll do that. Oh, yes, I got you. I got you.
I was still going to sneak up on you then. I'll do it later. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. I'll do it. Is everyone excited to come to Monster Street? Oh, I can't hear you! Is everyone excited to come to Monster Street? Yeah! That is more like it! What are we all doing here then? Come on! We're all having a good day. Yeah. See you later. Keep following the path down, guys.
Hello, how are we today? We're good, yes? Alrighty, what can I get for you? We'll go with treats, yes? There you go, that's for you. It's for you. And for you, I think maybe this, yes? And of course, for the grown-ups, we cannot forget the grown-ups. I think one of these and one of these. There you go, grown-ups. There you go. Enjoy. Enjoy. Have a good day, yes? Bye. Bye. Bye.
And that's for Halloween. Look at those. Wow. Do you see monsters like that?
Yeah.
Perfect. You like this then? It's matching you. This is for you. Now go and get out of it. Go enjoy the party. Bye.
Hello, here you go, here's one for you, here's one for you. Oh, sorry, I didn't like to do that. Right, do you want to know something? I put a spell on them this morning. Okay, now I don't have the best track record with magic. So, hopefully the spells work. If you put them under your pillow on the night of Halloween, the next day, chocolate or sweets will be there. However, like I said, don't have the best track record. It might be a potato. But because I've warned you in advance, you can't sue me if it is. Okay? Hopefully it's not, it's 50-50. I just don't know. Last time it was properly, so